Maria? Maria? Maria, do you remember how to turn this evil robot on? I seem to have forgotten. Is this? Nope, camping light. Hey, orb. Maybe if I crank this. No more camping lights. Alright, perhaps if I pull on these ropes, I can, hit. No, maybe if I... No. Still not work. Hey, what's that? What's that? Okay. Maybe if I just give her a... Oh, no. Well, did it get the little guys, though? Yeah, it did. Oh. Well, percolator's going. Alright, maybe if I just turn... No, maybe... that? No. Okay. Alright. Well, that's... Oh, the orb! Maybe it's the orb. I gotta do something with that orb. What can I do with that orb? Think. Or maybe if I just... Oh, crank! Alright, got the orb going. Got it going. Orb's good. Up, slow it down. Slow the orb down. Hey. There she is. There's my girl. Come on, evil robot. Wake up.